Welcome to this video on how to use professional networking for your job search. You will learn about 4 groups of networks that you need to cultivate to support your job search. During job search, getting direct referrals to employers are valuable because referrals are trusted by employers. It also helps you bypass the resume shortlisting process. To get direct referrals, you need good networks of people who know about you, your capability, and are willing to vouch for you. Before you can rely on your professional network, you will need to spend effort cultivating the relationships you have with different groups of people. LinkedIn is a professional networking tool to help you do that. To be effective in professional networking, you will need to identify the right people to cultivate a relationship with. Here are 4 groups of people that you need to have in your professional network. The first group: colleagues, ex-colleagues, partners, vendors. Cultivate a relationship with the people you worked with because they know you and they know what you can do. Include colleagues and people from other departments, subsidiaries, and regions. The next group: alumni, classmates, and training partners. Connect with the people whom you've studied and learned with. These people have interacted with you in class or worked with you on a project. Cultivating a relationship with them could bring up interesting opportunities. The third group: recruiters and line managers. Recruiters and line managers know a lot about job roles within their industry. Through them, you can learn more about what's happening in the industry and where are the in-demand jobs. Engage those in your existing network or ask friends to recommend the recruiters and line managers that they know. The last group: active networkers. This group of people enjoy meeting people, sharing knowledge, and connecting people to each other. They are also usually active on LinkedIn, sharing ideas, articles, and opinions. Given that they know many people, cultivating a relationship with them could open new doors and connections for you. To build your professional network, you will need to cultivate relationships with these 4 groups of people. To do so, you need to practice the principle of reciprocity. From Robert Cialdini's book, Influence, Science, and Practice, reciprocity works when you first give to someone and then the person later returns you the favor. So give help and support your network. Remember to be authentic and genuine in giving. The power of LinkedIn and social media has made this practice of reciprocity so much easier. You can offer a testimonial, endorse skills, give acknowledgement to appreciate, and validate them. Personalization is also important when it comes to cultivating relationships. Make arrangements for meetups, remember important details about their lives, and offer help, support along the way. To help you get started on cultivating your networks, refer to the attached networking plan template to build your professional networks today.